Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page on Wix. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Wix site. And here, for example, whenever a visitor opens our link, you'll be redirected to the home page, okay, or the landing page. As you can see here, this is just a template. Normally, when you open this link up, it will redirect you to the home page. Now, if you want to add in your own landing page, just go ahead over to the left panel. And as you might have noticed here, I'm currently using the Wix Studio, but the steps are the same with Wix Editor. Okay, go ahead over to Pages. Now click on the plus sign, add a page, name this one as landing page. All right. On the Wix Editor, go to left panel, Pages and menu, add a page. Now go ahead and find landing page. All right. So we're just going to continue using the Wix Editor right here. As you can see, we have a ton of templates. All right. We have coming soon, registration, app landing page, coming soon, lead collection, coming soon. So for this example, I'm just going to be using this one. Click on add page, wait for it to load. Now name this one, whatever you want. For example, landing page, hit on done, close it, and then continue editing your landing page, right? Just click on it and click on quick edit or the edit button right here. Click. You can change the image, the button style right here, also the text, okay? Sample landing page. All right, now once you're done editing your landing page, you can now go ahead and go to the left panel, go to Pages once more. And remember, as I've said earlier, your landing page by default is the first page that was added when you first entered your Wix editor or Wix builder, okay? So this is the one. So we're going to turn this landing page our main page. Okay, click on the three dots and then click on set as home page. All right, just click on it. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and hit on publish. And we share the link. This is the page that will show first. Okay, well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.